Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. I'm Pepe. Do you like cooking? Cooking out of your comfort zone? Cooking from scratch? Try different ways of cooking? Eating as healthy as you can? If the answer is yes, then this is your platform. In today's video, I'm going to make some chicken. Please follow the step and watch to the end. Right? So for my chicken, it's going to be a very easy recipe. Okay. Very easy. I'm going to need chicken, of course. This is organic chicken. It's cut into two. So it's half chicken here, thigh and breast. So I'm going to use this Epice Chef. It's mixed spice from Cameroon. I'm going to use some garlic and shallot, also some ginger, all blended together. Also going to use this mixed herbs, a little bit of chicken seasoning. I'm going to use some Himalayan salt, and I'm going to use some butter. This is unsalted butter, almost melted. Right. Need to be room temperature. I'm going to also use this poivre blanc de Penja, which is white pepper from Penja. It's from Cameroon. So a pinch of that. So I'm going to eat the chicken with some mushroom and spinach, a bit of saute, both of them. Now first thing to do is I'm going to burn this skin. You can see all those hair, to remove the hair. So I turn the cooker on. And I burn the skin. So I'm going to use the skin. We're going to eat the skin, so I need to remove all the hair. Remove all the hair. If you have charcoal, it's better to even burn on charcoal. I'm doing it indoor today. All gone. So I burned the chicken skin already, and I'm just going to wash it with warm water. Cut our chicken. Like this part. I'm just going to season with some salt. Salt to taste. bit of salt. Also add this spice, mixed herbs. Garlic. Put some rosemary, thyme, black pepper, oregano, basil. Add some water. So, look like. So now I'm going to add my chicken in this bowl. And pour in my ingredient, all of that. Then add some butter. About a tablespoon of butter. Right. And then add a little bit of this chicken spice. Okay. Mix. Straight to the pepper. Salt, pepper, and baking pepper. Okay, fish it. I'm going to pour it here. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of chicken spice. Let's bond the eggs together. Bound it like this. So meantime, my oven was already on 200 degrees, and I'm now going to put my chicken in. This is half an hour later. I'm now going to, oops, it's a bit hot. Take my chicken out. Oops, smell yummy. Smells yummy. What have we got in here? Oops. There we go. So I'm just going to put it back for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's cooked well, just want it a little bit brown. Chicken is cooked. Now I'm going to turn the oven on the grill side. So that's it. That's how you want it. Time to eat. Look at that. Chicken is falling off the bones. So yummy. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.